Good evening, traders. Good evening, Philippines. Today is Friday. It is February 5th, and I'm in the middle of a trade here during the pre market open. So let me do this. Let me do this, of course, this disclaimer. So, any comments made during this live stream should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This live stream is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how I trade the legacy trade setups that I teach my students. And sometimes I trade more of the advanced, what likely right now, like right now, I'm doing an advanced setup here. But anyways, any past performance of the legacy trade setups is not, should I say, is not indicative of future results. I must also emphasize that I'm neither a licensed nor professional trading advisor. I am a retail trader like everyone else, or like mostly everyone. So anyways, here we're looking at this. We had a strong run up to the upside here. I'm going against the grain. I'm doing a against the flow trade. So we'll see how this is going to work out. I'm keeping a nice, very tight eye on it to see. I'm monitoring really tight so I can minimize my loss if it does go against me. But there are basically things that I look for to take this trade. That's basically um, going against the overall trend of the market. And I don't really teach this to the beginners because they'd be more confused. So, anyways, let's look at what happened. What's still happening. Looking at the, if you can find my chart here. Here we are. Looking at this, at the more of the macro view of the what's happening. So you can see here, the whole. How can I say this? Look at that. It never really breached this other moving average, the yellow moving average. It just kept on right on top of that. Never really went below that. That's a strong move to the upside. Right? So that's what it's been doing since the overnight market. So strong move to the upside. We're finally, looks like we might be heading not down, but maybe just pulling back to the other mid band, not the mid band, but more of the moving average, the 50 moving average on this one. So that's what it might do. We shall see. And I'm trying to scalp that. So with that, this is what I'm looking right now. So there's my targets. There are 2 points and 3 points apart. I don't know. Maybe I should just make it at 2 points since this is what I call a trade that's going against the trend. I might just do that. So let me see here. Yeah, we'll see. I'll just see. I'm also looking at the MACD right now. Keeping careful in that one as well. We're below the zero line, so that's just good. As you can see, they're all color coded now. We're below the zero line. It's all red. It shows up and everything. So we'll go with that. And we're still in the bottom channel of that Bollinger Band of the MACD, those dots, which is a good thing, meaning it's really good. So we'll see. Again, put this in mute. We'll see what happens with this trade. And again, this is the pre-market open. We have approximately close to an hour and a half left. Let me check something. If there's any news going to be released around, it usually gets released around 8:30 in 30 minutes from now. So let me see here. Okay. 9:30 p.m., which is 8:30. Yeah, I was right. It's around 9 o'clock right now here in the Philippines. So at 9:30 in 30 minutes, it's going to be 3. It's a non-farm payroll. You've been forgetting about that. That's the non-farm payroll today. It's going to be released at 8:30, or which is 9:30 p.m., which is in 30 minutes. So Let me see if I can finish this trade or at least um, get some points out of here. So I'll put this in mute, and we shall see if I can reach my target or my profit target. Okay, put this in mute. Okay, I hit my first profit target. I might just do this and just leave it at, let me see. Maybe I just move this down. I don't want to risk this and come back up, even though I'll just get one taken profit. Where is this? At 80. Okay. I'll make it, wait, let me do this. 80.25 maybe. Or 79.75. We'll see what's going to come down to there. At least I'll have, that would be at least four, 4.25 points, which basically hit my daily profit goal, which would be a good thing. So let's see if that's going to hit this. Only 2 ticks away. I'll put this back on mute and we'll see. Okay, there, I got my second target, and most likely it might even reach that. I should have had it down there, but that's okay. I got my daily profit goal for this session, or even for the day. Again, my profit goal is usually 4 points. So let me see here. We can find my. Here it is. Okay, so there it is, 4.25 points. I'm happy with that. So I will talk to you guys. In fact, I gotta go out more and look at the. It's getting down to where I had the other. Originally had my second target, which is down there, but I didn't want to risk of not getting that trade because of this upcoming release of the non-farm payroll, or the NFP. So 4.25 points. I'll take that, and talk to you guys later during the morning session. It's going to be later in the morning. I'll probably wait for another 45 minutes from the opening to see where the market is headed. Again, today is the first Friday of the month, and that usually is the non-farm payroll. We'll see how the non-farm payroll report will affect the market. Okay, talk to you then, and stay safe. God bless. Bye bye.